Okay, people, Waayyy saw this game. It's St. Patrick's Day. We're here at the Bellagio. Waayy's got her patented trick, warming up the $100 bill. So it'll bring back many more $100 bills, especially on a day like today, St. Patrick's Day. Where do you want to go? 1 cent. And here we go. Which one do you want to start with? Cool. Okay, so we want to pop these lamps. Very popular game, obviously. Is it not working, that button? Let's see. Oh, the spin button's not working, so we may need to abort, but who knows. Oh, nice. Okay. So when the spin button is so busted, is that a good sign? Oh, let's see if it is. Oh, shake, shake. When the spin button is so busted that you can only spin it by hitting this, that's something, oh, collect, come on, get bigger. Oh, no, not yet. Come on, tigers. Oh, not yet. It'll, oh, no, they stay the same from denomination, but the amount of boom boom they give you could change. Obviously the dream is to hit all 3. So let's see. Job. Come on, green. Oh. All right, getting closer, getting closer. Getting closer. I think we can do this. I believe. It's St. Patrick's Day. Is it a lucky day for us? There's green on the screen, so I believe in Waayy's capabilities here. Come on, tigers. All right, we're getting some line hits. That's important. Some beautiful kitties. Come on, green. Aha. Ideally, we'd like all 3, but oh, that's good. Some beautiful shoes. Some Aladdin Air Jordans.
Go back to 1.
1 cent, yeah. So we're going back to 1 cent now. 120 bet. Okay, all right. 5 of a kind there. A good start. Oh, come on. We haven't gotten any white ones. The white one's really a fun one, yeah. There we go, come on. Some 10s. It's shaking up there, it's pulsating, it's jiggling. Okay. Come on, coins. They're not even coins, they're beautiful gems. Come on. Where's our St. Patrick's Day luck? By the way, Vegas is very, very busy today. You can't see it right here, but oh, we see that right there. Some tigers. Waayyy, I believe in your ability. You absolutely got this. Trying to order drinks. The person said drinks and ran away from us. Not yet.
So this is the same.
2 cent. 160 on 2 cents. What this one? 240. We've done it. We've done it. 48 cents back. Let's try it again. One more. We'll never see you again, 240. Maybe? Alright, now where do you want to go? Maybe again, we'll give you another shot, 240. Oh, it looks like it wants to do something, which means it's not gonna do anything yet. Let's see, let's try a little bit on 5 cents, but it's just $2, right? Come on, 5 cents. What is it? This is $3, right? Okay. Come on, 3. Oh, the collect one is a really fun bonus, so. Okay. We'd like to see a triple pop, of course. Right about now. 3 aces, this is in poker. Not yet. Did it do it? No, it didn't. All right, just to boost our confidence, I'm gonna put in an extra 100. Where did it go? Where did I put it? Did I lose it? Here it is. We want to boost our ability to hit that boost. So I'm in for 100. Wifey's in for 100. We're gonna be out for 400. That sounds about right. Right? Oh, come on. This is a good time. Oh, triple. Oh, that would have been a good time. So maybe we're onto something with 5 cents here, but let's see. That was huge. Oh? No. Beautiful tigers. Okay, there we go. Maybe it's warming up. They're all getting nice and plump. Ooh. Those swashbuckling swords. Okay, let's go back to 2 cents. Let's try to make something happen here. Oh, come on. Oh, what the heck? I mean, you can, oh, they're so big. Come on now. Come on. Come on, St. Patrick's Day luck. Where are you at? Okay. But we're not wearing, I'm wearing green. I'm wearing green, wifey. So now back to 1 cent. So max bet is $4 on 1 cent. So we're gonna hover around these bets. Oh, it popped. All right. We did it. On 1 cent, but at least we got it. So let's see if we can get some of our money back. I think we can boost the other ones in there. So rub the lamp. Rub it the right way. That was not a rub, that was more of a smack. You have to rub it. Oh my God, you don't know how to rub a lamp? This is your first time rubbing a Genie lamp? All right, so let's get a few $100 back on this one. So press a button to spin. Yes. I need to push. So the spin button is broken, so we have to do this. So, oh, no, not like that. Oh, so we have to do it like this, okay. Okay, so it can definitely pop these other ones in this one. Oh, did it do it? Oh, nice, we got the other one. Good job, good job. So now this is another fun one. So collect active, we see that.
What does that mean?
So it'll, when we get the collecting, it collects all of our money. I think it's like some special like feature. There, oh, come on. Oh, did it do it? See, oh, no, big, 15. Aw, so it boosts all of them with that much. So it boosts every single value.
I thought we got jacked.
No, not yet. Come on, let's go. Yes, we need to keep getting those. Let's see some more little symbols. Come on now. Wifey put some voodoo on it. Wifey put some voodoo on it. Ooh, pretty. Now you hit the spin button. Let's see. Yes, see, it worked, wifey. Okay, you do it again. Wifey is causing a ruckus over here. Do it again. Come on, come on. Yes, shoot it to the moon. Huh?
Didn't work.
All right, didn't work. Now just rub those ones. Okay, there you go. That's all, that's all. Just every single one of those, that's it. All right, thank you, you did it. Now we need some more of those boost things. Now we need some more of those boosts. Come on, drop the blue one, drop the blue one. You're not doing it right. Do it better, do it better. You're trying, I know, but... Aw. Okay, all right, all right. She's trying her hardest, people. She's rubbing the genie lamp. Why did you even spin it? You didn't rub it right, wifey. You tried.
What's the collect?
$40, okay. All right. We saw a bonus, we had fun. Oh, calm down with the loud noises here. I guess big win. Okay, okay. All right, on to the next one. Thanks for watching.